Anyway, going back to the topic of the half-sword or sword in arms is that clearly wearing armor, we are mainly protected from cuts and blows. And that's the reason why at this point the sword is wielded as if it were a dagger, and the person against me will do the same. Then imagine that now we have the protections. So the weapon, the gloves and plate armor and so on, you go to engage the opponent. And here you play by moving his weapon, for example, and try to stab the opponent. One of the main objectives is the opening of the helmet, the eyes or the face in general. Also under the neck and the other weak parts, the armpits, the inside of the elbow, the groin. Clearly the helmet then is designed to avoid these. For example, in the structure of the helmet itself, we often see even if in this case it's not so exaggerated, there are some edges, some excrescences. A design concept that wants to prevent the tip from being facilitated in slipping and going straight into the face. In fact, you see here there is a slight edge. That's what it's for, to stop the tip going in and maybe deflect it on the outside. As I said before, weapons and protections are always linked together and are developed for one to subvert the other.